Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Jamaica House was a success. Jamaica House returned to the O2 Arena in London for the World Championships. The arena opened its doors from August 5 to 13 and featured artists including Ziggy Marley, Protege, Luciano and Freddie McGregor, delivering the authentic Jamaican vibe.
It's a great honor and privilege to be here to celebrate 55th anniversary of the independence of Jamaica, and also to celebrate our national team. But we still appreciate the effort and what they have achieved throughout the years. So for me, as a Jamaican, it's just a great honor and privilege to be here. I'm very humble that I was invited, and thanks to Miss Babs Grange for having us here. And anytime we do it again for Jamaica, anything for Jamaica, you know. People don't see me a lot here, so forget call back and be able to perform for the people in UK and the Jamaican people that are in UK. It's just something that's very rare for me. So you know, well, I really appreciate that. You know.
Well, as a Jamaican, it's my pleasure and honor to always perform for Jamaicans, people who love Jamaica, people who love Jamaican music. It was great. The people responded well, and I enjoyed myself on stage. And it is important for us to sell brand Jamaica to the world so that they can know that they can come to Jamaica at all times.
Jamaica House was hosted by the Minister of Entertainment, Sports and Culture along with the Jamaica Tourist Board. Success Story is the name of the new single from reggae artist Nesbeth. The single is a follow-up to Nesbeth's 2015 hit My Dream, which has topped several reggae charts locally and overseas, affording him the opportunity to perform on major shows worldwide. The Success Story single, produced by O'Neill Hype Thomas, is receiving a buzz on the local airwaves and resonates well with fans. Nesbeth is gearing up for the release of a music video for the single, directed by RD Studios. It's the 13th staging of the Caribbean Festival of Arts, Carifesta. The festival started yesterday in Barbados and will run through to August 27. Carifesta celebrates this year under the theme Asserting Our Culture, Celebrating Ourselves. More than 3,000 participants will showcase their talents in music, theatre, dance, fashion, food, literature and other art forms across the Caribbean region and diaspora. 10 days of great food, outstanding arts and excellent entertainment. And on the international scene, actor Daniel Craig will return to the screens to play the James Bond role one last time. The 25th Bond film is not yet titled. 007 lovers will see Craig return as the super spy in the upcoming film, having played the role of 007 in the past for Bond films. The new James Bond movie hits theaters in 2019. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend.